What you want, baby? Hi. Carrie? You want Carrie? But you're watching TV. What did you do to your hair? What is that on your hair? Ew, what's that on your hair? Dungis, dungis. Dungis, dungis. Bakit? Ay! Bakit dungis, dungis yan? Where's your cookie? Ayun.
Millions of women worldwide love Bare Minerals. This is smooth, it's nice, and only Bare Minerals looks like beautiful bare skin.
It's good. You don't like it?
And now you can get our
You don't like it?
with our totally new, totally spill-proof Click Lock Dough Foundation for over 75% off retail. Our new kit comes with Bare Minerals foundation in the shade that's just right for you. Warmth for a healthy glow. Mineral Veil, the ultimate finishing touch. And Bare Minerals flawless application brush. All now
Maabot.
3 full-size kits for $57.95 free. Purchase separately, you'd spend over $120. Our original Get Started kit was a great deal at 2 payments of $29.99. Now you can get all this for just 1 payment of $29.99.
No, thank you.
Save over $90 and get a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Sundo natin, kuya. Sundo natin, kuya. Diyan na, dad.